Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best medium firm queen mattress on the market, the Nectar Classic 12-inch queen mattress. Whether you're a side, back, or stomach sleeper, this mattress promises the perfect balance of support and comfort that adapts to your unique sleeping style. The Nectar Classic mattress features a thoughtfully designed sleep system combining breathable cooling fabric, contouring memory foam, and dynamic support foam. This layered construction works together to provide pressure relief while ensuring proper spinal alignment throughout the night. One of the standout features is its cooling top layer, which helps regulate temperature, keeping you comfortable no matter the season. Setting up the mattress is incredibly simple. It comes compressed in a box, ready to be unrolled in your chosen room. Once you take it out, it expands quickly and is ready to use within 24 hours, making delivery and setup hassle-free. Nectar offers an industry-leading 365-night trial, allowing you to truly test the mattress through all 4 seasons before making a final decision. On top of that, they provide a forever warranty, which means your mattress is protected for as long as you own it, a rare and valuable guarantee in the mattress industry. In terms of materials, the mattress is free from harmful chemicals such as ozone depleters, mercury, lead, formaldehyde, and phthalate, ensuring a safer sleep environment. Weighing 78 pounds and measuring 80 by 60 by 12 inches, this mattress fits perfectly in any queen-sized bed frame and is designed for adults looking for medium firm support. The Nectar Classic mattress not only promises comfort but also motion isolation, making it a great choice for couples or anyone sensitive to movement during the night. Its pressure-relieving layers are designed to ease tension in critical areas, providing relief for shoulders, hips, and back. If you're looking for a mattress that combines innovative sleep technology, ease of setup, lasting durability, and a sleep experience tailored to various sleeping positions, the Nectar Classic 12-inch queen mattress is an excellent contender. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review or want more insights on the latest home products, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Sleep well, and see you next time.